In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access passwords and security. Then click on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. You need to wait 5 seconds and then just got it in the pop-up in order to continue. Following that, create your login method. Now repeat it in order to confirm it, and tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner. Now you can select Add in the pop-up, and this way add your fingerprint right away. If you don't want to do that, click on Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!